Hey crafty people, it's Tasha here for Trinity Stamps, and today I'm going to be doing a product close-up of the Party Stamp and Die collection. This was from our June 2021 Trinity Party release. So Party is a 3x4 stamp set, and there's also a coordinating die to go with that. So here you can see the images that I've stamped out, and these are all the ones that you are going to be able to die cut. There are also additional, there are dies within the set as well that you can use to just cut from coloured cardstock. So for example, the balloons can be used to just cut from cardstock. There's also a die that creates these tiny confetti pieces, and they can be a really great addition to your card. The string for the balloon, you have a stamp for that if you want to make like a one-layered card, or you have a die if you want to cut that out instead. So here you can see our party cup. He's very happy, he's got his hand out ready to hold some balloons. So here's one balloon that I cut just straight with the die along with a string, and you can see how he can hold that as he's walking along. There's then also this stamp that is several strings all at once, so if you want him to be holding a bunch of balloons, he can. And I'm just showing you here with some of the ones that I've stamped and some of the ones that I've die cut. I stamped that black one with the solid stamp that's in the set and then die cut it, so you can do that as well. And then you have this little piece of the strings that you can put to show that he's sort of holding them, and that bit's underneath his hand. So there's a stamp and or die to cut out. If you want some content for your cup, I just stamped it and then die cut that out, but you can just die cut that from coloured paper if you want, or you can just stamp it straight on. There really are lots of different options. So here's those little confetti pieces I cut from pink and blue, but obviously if you were to cut them from lots of different colours, then I think that could look really great. The sentiment, it says "Let Party," so it's one sentiment stamp, but it is two separate dies that cut those out. You also have the option to use some of the small stamps in the set to create the confetti yourself. So I did that here on this card. I just stamped the different pieces with different colours to make a confetti background. So let's see what some of the other design team members have made with this set. So here you can see that Brenda made a wonderful card using the Starstruck stencil for a background. Here, this was a guest designer, I believe it was Von Marie, created this awesome party mini slimline. Cassie used the Star Trio die to make a shaker, and Tanya used our layered confetti die to make her background for her party teacup. I hope that you will enjoy this stamp and die collection. Can't wait to see what you guys make with it. I hope that you have a lovely, happy, safe, wonderful week. Stay crafty. Bye!